How to create temporary Gmail account and password. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Once inside the Gmail app, simply tap on a profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, then a drop down menu will appear. Now from here, tap on the add another account option available, then simply tap on the Google from it. Once you tap on the Google, all you have to do is you'll be navigated to create an account or login section. There, all you have to do is tap on the continue option available there. Then tap on the create account option available at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, in order to create a temporary account, you will obviously have to create a Gmail account first of all. Then you can simply delete that account easily. Now, what you gotta do is simply type down any temporary name for now. Since we are deleting this account and this is for a temporary time, so you can add any username as you want. Then tap on the next option available there. Now here you'll have to enter your birth date. Since we are making this account temporary, then you can enter any information as you want. Then again tap on the next option available there. Now here you'll have to create a temporary username. You can also use a temporary name such as Tempema and some numbers. Then set a password. You can also write it down if needed. Now after you tap on the next option available there. Now for phone verification, you can use a secondary phone number or skip. Google allows you to skip as well. Tap on the skip button available at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once skipped, you can complete the setup and use your temporary Gmail. And after a few moments, you can simply delete this account easily. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.